How to fix Messenger video call camera settings. To adjust the camera settings for video calls on Messenger, this video is a short guide to help you out. First of all, the very first thing you need to do is simply launch Settings application on your device. Once you are on your Settings application, if you scroll down a little bit there, you will see a lot of options for all of the applications you have on your device. You have to simply choose Messenger application. Once you go through the Messenger application, the very first thing you need to check is make sure that camera is toggled on. Once you check that, go back to the settings home page again. Now, scroll up, there you will see general option, simply tap on that. From the general, there you will see iPhone storage. Tap on it and search for Messenger application. Under the Messenger application, you will see two options. Among them, choose Offload app and Do Offload app. Then reinstall your application again and check your Messenger video call camera will start working. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.